Let's go ahead and go into chair pose. So bring your hands to your heart, shift your weight towards your heels, navel in and up. Make sure your weight is not on the toes. The right leg is gonna grab all the weight. Take the left leg back to a nice high lunge here. You can place your hands on your right leg, that's fine, or you can keep your hands up. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this left hip and really rotate it down to get an inner thigh stretch right through here. This is also good for strengthening your muscles that support your hip as well. So holding it here, try to take a few breaths in and out. You can bring your arms up over your head if you would like, or bring your hands to your heart. A few breaths in and out. But make sure your toes are facing towards the front and you're on the ball of the back foot and the knees directly on top of that right heel. Then we're gonna lean forward and step forward back to chair, and let's switch to the other side.